Good morning. You may have seen these fireworks stands pop up around town. They're going to start filling these up and selling them around 11 o'clock through the 4th of July. In the meantime, Clark County is sending out this fireworks safety message.
If you get caught using illegal fireworks, it can cost you. Illegal fireworks cause fires, injuries, and are a source of thousands of complaints from seniors, pet owners, and people suffering from PTSD.
So here's what it'll cost you. You could get fined anywhere between $500 to $10,000. This is for the ones that explode in the air, like firecrackers, Roman candles, and skyrockets. When you buy Safe and Sane fireworks, it's clearly printed on the product and the only ones that are sold in these booths. They include sparklers and fireworks that keep a small diameter on the ground. Now, these have been tested and approved to light in southern Nevada, but officials are still warning you that Safe and Sane fireworks can still be dangerous, especially in our desert valley. They can still cause fires and injuries if you're not careful. Now remember, even the Safe and Sane fireworks are not allowed up on Mount Charleston, at Red Rock, or at Lake Mead. If you see illegal fireworks, you can report them. You call 311. Do not call 911. They want to keep that line open for emergencies. You can also report it online at ispyfireworks.com. Reporting live, I'm Rachel Moore.